we have a winner for Zion Felix exclusive question number 2. This is a Zion Felix exclusive. Question is worth $100. Vayomer Elohim, and Elohim said, Naaseh Adam, let us make man, Betsalmenu, in our image, Kidmutenu, after our likeness, Vayedu, let them rule. Notice the name used for God here is Elohim. In Genesis 2, when we get to the detailed account of how man was created, we are told, Vayetze Yahweh Elohim et ha'adam, meaning Yahweh Elohim formed man. There are 2 names of God used here, Yahweh and Elohim. Why does Genesis 1 say Elohim said? One entity, Elohim, said. And in Genesis chapters 2, 2 entities are invoked in the creation of man, Yahweh and Elohim. The answer. The 2 names of God used in Genesis 2, Yahweh and Elohim, in creating humans is to emphasize the masculine and the feminine attributes of God. Elohim represents the masculine and Yahweh represents the feminine characteristic of God. So you will notice that whenever God sits in judgment, the name employed is Yahweh because not only is he a strict judge, Elohim, which is the masculine, he's also a compassionate mother, Yahweh, which is the feminine. This is why the Gan people say Atana Nyongo, masculine, feminine God. He is both attributes. Though no one gets the answer correct, Abigail Akwetey was the one who explained her thoughts clearly, making a case and convincing us with her conclusions. The team decided to award Madam Abigail with $25.
Hi everyone, my name is Abigail and I happen to have been the lucky winner of Zion Felix's Bible quiz. Well, I was supposed to win $100, but unfortunately for me, my answer was a bit closer to the correct answer. So they gave me $30 and I'm so happy. I'd like to say a very big thank you to the organizers of this Bible quiz. That's Kingdom of Kings. God bless you so much for this wonderful opportunity. I'm so grateful. And I'd like to entreat each and every one of you to participate in this mouth-watering Bible quiz. Who knows? You might be the lucky winner next time. What's your thou? Thank you.
Congrats, Madam Abigail. I wish you explained it more. You would have gotten the whole sum. But you did quite good. Congrats.